Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlertcom, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. All we ask in return, please refer a friend. Today is Thursday, December the 27th, 2012. We're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average today. Just pointing out a couple of details. I want to mention before I forget that we've actually updated several different charts on the free website at PerfectStockAlertcom indicating some buy opportunities that we're setting up. So if you wanted to bring your attention to that, you can check out the website there on the homepage for all those charts. What I want to look at today is just the Dow Jones Industrial Average, is showing you basically the same thing we told you yesterday, was that this pullback was going to find support at the 50-period moving average and the 200-period moving average, as well as this support from the previous resistance line right here. All of that's going to be where you find support. That's exactly what happened today. You were sold off well over 100 points intraday, and we bounced back up. But we bounced up on the news that basically they're going to be discussing more strategies to avoiding the fiscal cliff before the deadline. So this is really just a news-driven market. And the main thing I want to point your attention to here is we've already had Timothy Geithner come out and say that the government basically runs out of money on Monday. So they really are forced to do something over the weekend. I think the likelihood of them announcing something over the weekend before the Monday markets open, I think that's highly likely. So if you're thinking about waiting until the news comes out, expect the markets to run ahead of that, and you'll basically get left behind a bit there. So think ahead as opposed to just responding exactly to what you're seeing here. I do see an opportunity on this chart, and I marked it as a possible buy signal here. There's one caveat to this detail here. Typically, when I mark a chart with a black arrow, it's indicating that I would want to see us take out this high, the high point here, 13,141.74, beat it by a single penny intraday, and I'd be a buyer there. And then my stop will be set off of 1 cent below today's low. In this particular scenario here, I wouldn't look for a massive rally tomorrow unless that news comes out. I don't see that. I think instead we're just going to kind of consolidate here. We may see a dip down here and come back up and just keep moving sideways, basically, because that news is going to be really important to the market. Until that market gets to the news that we've got a stop gap or we've got to kick the can down the road, whatever, until we get that, we're just really not going to take off here. But I do see us setting up here. If you've not been to the free website at PerfectStockAlertcom, it's right there. It's 100% free, and all we ask in return, and please refer a friend. God bless, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Please take a moment to review our disclaimer. The information provided herein is our opinion only. Under no circumstances do any statements here represent a recommendation to buy or sell securities or make any kind of an investment. You are responsible for your own due diligence. To summarize, we do not provide investment advice, nor do we make any claims or promises that any information here will lead to a profit, loss, or any other result. These videos are for educational purposes only.